Good morning, students. As you all know, we are staying at our homes due to COVID-19 as per government directions. So, your studies should not suffer at all. I have planned to start your online classes of computer science. I have created this blog for you. Today, we will start with a new chapter, File Handling with Python. We will cover this chapter in 3 videos, and this is the first video. So as the name of today's topic is file handling with Python, so you must be aware with what is file, what is handling, and what the chapter is about. Students, you are well aware with the term file because so many times you have created it, like document files you have created in MS Word, WordPad, Notepad, record files you have created in MS Excel. So you are already familiar with the term file. File is collection of bytes, or you can say file is collection of information which is stored on some storage devices like pen drive and hard disk. Today we'll talk about data files. Data files are used to store data pertaining to specific application. Data files are of two types. Number 1, text files. Number 2, binary files. Students, you have worked in text files while you are writing your source code in Python. You are working actually in text files. Text files store information in ASCII or Unicode characters. Unicode is Universal Encoding Character Standard. In text files, each line of text is terminated with special character known as EOL character, end of line character. Like while you are working in text file and you want to bring your cursor in the next line, you press enter key. So this enter key is your EOL character. Like in previous class, whenever you are using this escape sequence /n, in class 11th you have learnt about it. So this is used to display the message in the next line. So I hope you are clear with the text file. Now we'll talk about binary files. Binary files are the files that store data in binary format. Now what is binary? Binary, you all know, zeros and 1. So these files contain information in the same format in which the information is held in the memory. So because of this reason, binary files are faster than text file. Now what is handling? Students, whenever you use or create any file, what actually you want to do with that file? We want to perform 3 basic tasks. Number 1, reading data from file. Number 2, writing data. For example, while I am teaching you, I have created a file. You, me, and everyone can read from this file, and if I want to add something in it, this is called appending. This is also possible in it. So reading, writing and appending, these 3 basic tasks are called file manipulation tasks. So now what is file handling with Python? It is actually performing these basic file manipulation tasks using Python programs. I hope the meaning of today's topic is clear to everyone and everyone will have clear idea about what we are going to study about. But again, in nutshell, I want to explain about today's topic and what we will cover in today's chapter. In this whole chapter, we will open either binary file or text file in our Python program, and then we will process these files. So this is called file handling with Python. Python itself provides us functions, inbuilt functions like open, read, write, close. We'll talk about these functions in our next video. Thank you, students. This video is for you. If you have any doubt, write in the comment section. Thank you.